Modern design, high-end finishing, excellent security. These and much more are the qualities of this episode's featured bungalow in Kota, Damansara. Hi, and welcome to Faisal Properties. Hope you're having a great day. Do you want to stay in a home that is safe and peaceful? A home with a gorgeous swimming pool fitted with timber deck. A modern home with spacious living and even more spacious land. Well, this is the home for you. An 8,133 square feet bungalow located in the prime area of Polo Club, Kota Damansara. This magnificent home is located in Polo Club, Kota Damansara. Within its 5-kilometer radius, you are able to reach your favorite shopping and food destinations such as Ikea, Ikano, The Curve and Wanutama. Or, if you want to make a shorter trip, there's always Sunway Giza, which is less than a 5-minute drive. As a relatively new township, it enjoys great accessibility to major highways. Within 5 minutes, you can access the NKVE and the soon upcoming Dash Highway, which will connect you to the LDP and the Penchala link. It is super easy and convenient to get to your favorite destinations. We are Faisal Properties. Get in touch with us now for more information on the bungalow as well as other properties in the area. This is an extremely safe location with a single point of entry and exit as well as 24-hour security surveillance. Polo Club is known for its safe location and providing comfort and tranquility for its residents. With its safe and beautiful community, this house is equipped with top high-end quality materials used for its fixtures. Quality brands such as Crohe, Toto and St. Gucci are the few quality finishing used. Also, it is surrounded by forest reserve and a hiking trail close by. This house provides nature living in the city. Featuring a build-up size of 7,435 square feet, built on square-shaped land, these homes come with a 6+1 rooms and 7 bathrooms. This property is listed at 4.85 million ringgit. If you are keen to view this gorgeous and rare property, please do not hesitate to contact me. Once again, thank you for tuning in. I am Faisal and you are watching a Faisal Properties production.